Good morning and happy Monday, my friends. I hope everyone had an amazing weekend. So everybody, please stand up. Ay, 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 look at how Sparky left our flag. Oh my gosh, he's not being very respectful of our flag. We're definitely going to have to talk to him about that. Alrighty, friends, so everybody, please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Alrighty, friends, it is now time for recitation. And remember, the very first thing we always do is title and the author. Your eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. And friends, remember, from now on, we are going to stand to do our recitation, and our hands will be at our sides, in our pockets, or behind our backs. Remember that we do not speak like a rabbit, or we do not speak like a robot. Got it? Normal voice that is projected. So here we go. 100 ripples, author unknown. Drop a stone into the water. In a moment it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. Say an unkind word this moment. In a moment it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. Say a word of cheer and splendor. In a moment it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. And please make sure that you take your bow. And of course, your friends in your group will give you a round of applause. Alrighty, friends, here we go. It is now time for morning meeting. So let's go ahead and check to see who our student of the day is going to be today. So on Friday, our student of the day was Lily. So let's see who the student of the day is today. Slaka, Chikala, come on down, Slaka. And of course, if Slaka was here, the very first thing Slaka would do is turn the clock to morning. And then, of course, Slaka would write her first and last name, but because Slaka is not here, Mrs. Harrell is going to go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, Slaka Chikawa. And I hope I am saying that correctly, Slaka. If I am not, please make sure that you let me know that so that I can say it correctly, okay? All right. Then Mrs. Harlow would give Slaka a Student of the Day sticker and top it off with giving her a pointer and saying, all righty, young lady, you are on. And Slaka would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this is called a month. And what month are we in? December. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday was Sunday, that means that today is Monday. But let's just double check to see if we are correct. beginning with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and recite our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And let's go ahead and count our months ordinally. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. Great job. Now, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. And if we are doing, and I think we found out on Friday that we are doing an ABCC pattern. Let's do our ABCC pattern to see what pattern is going to follow. Rectangle, triangle, circle, circle, rectangle, triangle, circle. Very, very good. And here is the number 7. So let's go ahead and help Slaka write December, but let's help her with the letters in the month. So here we go. Capital D, E, C, E, M, B, E, and finally R, December. And then, friends, we are going to finger space. And what digit am I going to write? A7, followed by, a comma number. Nope, it is a space. And then let's go ahead and write the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 0. Oops, let me fix that 0. 0. Now, friends, let's go ahead and, oh, that's a terrible 0. All right, so let's go ahead and look at how I've written the month, the date, and the year. All right, see how our capital letter starts at the top and goes all the way down to the bottom. All of our lowercase letters are underneath the dotted line. Our numbers start at the top and go all the way to the bottom, just like when we are writing our numbers in our guided class practice. So if you are having some problems with floating letters or numbers, now is when you practice a little bit more on that. All right, so let's go ahead and read today's date with Slaka. Today's date is Monday, December 7th, 2020. Now, friends, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and count and see how many days we have before recitation. Can't count today because we've already done it. So let's move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 more days. Is that enough time, friends? Well, I think so, because I think that is enough time. And the reason there is enough time is because it's a short recitation, plus there's a lot of the same words in it. You only have to change a couple of words in each stanza, right? So, friends, you're going to knock it out of the water with this one, right? Are you really going to knock it out of the water? No, that's just an expression Mrs. Harrow is always saying. All right, guys. So if on Friday we were here 76 days, what would today be? 77? I don't know. Let's go ahead and draw them out, and please tell me when to stop. Okay, so here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, I will stop. Now let's go with Mrs. Ones. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. All right, so now let's go ahead and graph what we have drawn out onto our days in school graph. Okay, so really quickly, friends, are we going to write anything in our 100s column? How about in Mr. 10's column? Yeah, so let's see what we have here. 7 plus 0 equals 7. What about 0 plus 7? 7. What about 1 plus 6? That's 7. What about 6 plus 1? That's 7 as well. So let's go ahead and write a 7 in our tens column. And let's see how many Mrs. Ones we have. Okay. Zero plus 7. 7. 7 plus 0. 7. What about 1 plus 6? 7. What about 6 plus 1? That's still 7. Oh my goodness, friends. What do you notice about our number? You are correct. It is a very, very special number. And why is it so special? Because you can read it from left to right and right to left. Never, ever, ever read your numbers from right to left, right? So that is a very, very special number. The only numbers you can read left to right and right to left are the numbers, say them with me, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. And how come? You are correct. They are the same number. So let's see. Let's go ahead and match our days in school tag to our days in school graph. Do we have 7 Mr. 10s? How about 7 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 77. That sure is a whole lot of days, friends. All right, so now let's go ahead and do our coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. So the very, very first coin we have is the very, very first coin we have is the penny. And a penny we count by what? By ones. And a penny is worth 1 cent. Great job. And then the second coin is a dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. And when we count dimes, we count them by, by tens. And which coin are we going to start counting with? Okay, yeah, the dime. And why? Why would we use the dime first? Well, yeah, it's worth more. So remember, friends, we're going to start counting by tens. When I switch coins, I will hold up the new coin so that we know we need to change our counting. Okay? All right, so here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. 82 cents. And let's go ahead and write 82 cents on our coin cup. Okay, let's go ahead and write 82 cents on our coin cup. Remember, friends, do not forget that cent sign. If you forget that cent sign, I am going to be so super duper sad because I would have to mark it incorrect. And do I like to do that? No. So please remember to always include your cent sign. Now let's go ahead and count our coins here on our morning meeting board to see if what's on here matches in here. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 82. So we definitely match, right? Alrighty, friends, it is now time for mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. So please make sure that you turn on your morning brain and listen to my quiz. Alrighty, friends. So today in my mystery bag, I first placed 3 crayons. So I want you to picture 3 crayons in my mystery bag. I then placed 8 rulers in my mystery bag. And you know Mrs. Harrell uses those small little orange rulers, so picture that in your brain. Okay. Now I will take out 2 crayons. I want to know how many crayons are left in my mystery bag. So listen again. So today, in my mystery bag, I first placed 3 crayons. I then placed 8 rulers in my mystery bag. Then I took out 2 crayons. I want to know how many crayons are left in my mystery bag. Mason, how many crayons are left? Mason says 1. Thumbs up if you agree with Mason. I don't know. Let me count. Because how many did I take out of here? I took 2 out. Let's see. Well, do we need to do anything with our rulers? That's just there to trick us. We have 1 crayon. Oh, there's nothing left. So, was Mason correct? Please give Mason a round of applause. Woo! Great job, Señorito Mason. And I think Mason knew this answer because if I had 3 and I took away 2, we would have 1 left. All right, great job on that, Mason. So let's go ahead and let's look at our counting strips. All right, bing, bang, boom this, my friends. Let's go ahead and count by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent. Let's go ahead and count by odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Remember, Mrs. Harlow says that all even numbers will always end in a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, and a 9, right? That's how you're going to know. And today, friends, in Math Live, we are going to continue with our odd numbers. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So on Thursday, we worked on this page. You guys remember? We worked on all of our evens. Today, we're going to work on our odds. So make sure you bring this paper with you to Math Live and an orange crayon. Don't forget that, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and count by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And let's go ahead and do our cheer. Alrighty, make sure that you are full of energy. I know it's Monday morning, but you know what? We should be having lots of energy, because if we have cheerleaders that don't have any, are they going to get us up and pumped up? No. So be sure that you are ready. And don't forget, you still have to jump for me, because Mrs. Harlow cannot jump with this leg, right? My boot comes up, it comes off in 4 weeks. Super excited. It'll be after Christmas, but that's okay. When we come back in January, I shouldn't have a boot on. Woohoo! Then I'll be able to cheer with you. Alrighty, friends. So here we go. Cheerleaders, ready? Listos? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Who do we appreciate? Kindergartners, kindergartners, yay! Kindergartners, woohoo! Alrighty, excellent, my friends. Before we sign off, let's go ahead and sing our coin song. So everybody, please get your beautiful voices ready. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100 cents. Very, very good. I just love that song, friends, because it helps us remember what our coins are valued at, right? All right, so I will see you guys in just a little while. Don't forget to bring your paper, your odd numbers, okay? See you in a bit, friends. Bye.